How to fix UKG Pro account login not working. First thing you have to do is open up the browser where you're trying to log in. I'm using Google Chrome. And once you open it up, tap on the login option for UKG Pro and you'll be taken to the login portal. But if you have entered correct credentials but you're not able to log in, then there might be a problem with your browser. So for that, you can try clearing out cache from your browser. Tap on the three lines at the top right and then click on delete browsing data. Now from here, click on more option and then click on all time at the top right. From here, you can select the date range. Let's say if I just select last 7 days, you can tap on delete data and then click on delete. And once you have done that, you can go back, refresh the page by swiping down. And once you've refreshed it, try entering your username and password again and click on sign in. Doing this will allow you to sign in. Then if it's still not working, check if your Chrome is running on its latest version. For that, open Play Store, tap on search bar and search for Chrome. Then see if there is an update button available like this one, and then simply tap on update. And once the app is updated, you should be able to log into it without any problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'm going to see you on the next one.